Now that you've received your new power recliner, begin by opening the box. Peel the tape from the top of the box. Do not use any sharp objects as this could damage your chair. Remove all packaging materials. Place the back in the seat of the chair. Remove the white packing material from the mechanism. Grab each side of the back about halfway up, holding the back flap with your thumbs. Align the clips on each side of the back with the back post of the mechanism. Firmly push down on the back until the back clips snap in place. Attach the snaps on each end of the unit and then fold the bottom part of the back flap under the base, securing it with the Velcro. Connect the two ends of the transformer, being sure to clip in place. Now connect the female end to the motor and also clip in place. Now you can plug your transformer into an outlet. Sit down, recline back, and enjoy your new Best Home Furnishings recliner.